με Ελπωμένη Μαραυγάκη, and we're here for the 4th CSN Cyprus Shipping ICT conference that takes place in Limassol. We're honored to have with us today Mr. George Alexopoulos, Senior Account Executive at Microsoft. Welcome.
Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure to be here.
Data security is a top concern for many businesses. How does Microsoft address data protection and cybersecurity concerns in its solutions, particularly for manufacturers handling sensitive information?
That's a very good question. First of all, let me address the fact that the sensitivity and the criticality of data and the threat is presented in both cloud systems and on-premise system as well. So it's not something that we hear that it happens that the threat is only on the cloud, it's also on-premise. Considering these two major factors, the on-premise and cloud worlds, our solution has been adapted to address both worlds, on-premise and cloud. So even though that our solution is mostly based on cloud, they can address threat protection and detection in both on-premise and cloud. This is an area that, as Microsoft, we invest a lot, and it's an area that we will further invest very soon. General availability of those products will be very, very soon with AI. So AI will be embedded with those solutions to ensure that we help organizations and employees to address those issues with the help of AI before they happen and after any issues are arisen.
You've worked with clients in Greece, Cyprus, and Malta. How do you adapt Microsoft solutions and services to address the unique needs and challenges in each of these regions?
Another good question. So what I keep saying to myself is not only countries, also industries, clients, people within the clients, they have different needs. So we need to adapt not only in regions, but in people, cultures, roles of working. So we try to understand them, listen to them first, and then get the appropriate, based on the requirement, get the appropriate solution. One key element of this industry, of this region, I would say, is the need of skilling. As Microsoft, we have an enterprise program. It's called ESI, where we have invested a vast amount of money to ensure that those people are skilled, are educated on the new technologies, and they can, utilize those to implement their needs. So for us, I would say the key factor across organization in this region is skilling and upskilling those clients.
How do you envision the future of the maritime industry, particularly in terms of technology integration, and digital innovation over the next decade?
Again, I think that's the next decade is already here. So feel it that nowadays we are running on this next decade. I see three pillars, as we mentioned before, that are highly applicable in the maritime industry. The first pillar is, of course, cybersecurity. As we discussed before, it's of a high importance to embed AI in cybersecurity to assist organization and employees on this pillar in automatic threat detection. The second pillar is the employee productivity. Through the usage of technology and AI, we can automate processes that are repeatable. We can allow people to focus more on the tasks that they are productive for the companies and get reduced of any tasks that are repetitive and unnecessary for them. So that was the second pillar, that was improve employees' productivity. And finally, the third pillar that we think of, it is of a high importance in the maritime industry, is the customer experience. Customers are becoming more and more demanding nowadays, and they want the best customer experience ever to have. They want to feel unique. So through technology and AI, we can utilize methods, techniques, and algorithms to ensure that the customer get the best result, which is personalized to them. And through generative AI, this is highly applicable in cases that natural language can be utilized, summarized, generated to allow helping the customers to give this experience to end customers.
Thank you, Mr. Alexopoulos.
Appreciate it.